took a little vacation. Trying to get back to this social media thing. Like, I don't know shit going on in the world. But today, people been hitting me up about this fucking Yada situation. Like, I'm a big follower of Yada. But people been hitting me up about this. I don't know what the fuck going on. So apparently he abusing this girl or whatever. I mean, that's the situation. But look. Let me let y'all know. Yada is a person who gets secondhand knowledge. The information is out there. You hear things about him. Whatever the fuck he got going on, his scam. I don't even know what the fuck it was scam, like this ministry, whatever. That shit don't have nothing to do with me. I ain't trying to be like this nigga. I'm not buying the Apple weed product. That shit is for motherfuckers who lazy as fuck. Yeah, motherfucking Americans. But this shit gets shipped around the world. But I don't care what he's saying, what he doing. His abuse towards females, I know how the situation goes. Whatever, that shit don't have nothing to do with me. As far as Yada, that's some of the people, like, I was part of his audience, just like rappers, singers, whatever the fuck, anybody in this world have a fucking audience. Nigga, that's the audience. That's who I took to, and I started making decisions that's better for myself as far as my health, that I followed, and I feel fucking amazing. So, as far as the icon thing, Dr. Sebi, however you say his name, like, I'm a follower of that. That's what I go up on. I love it. But don't come to me talk about, oh, that's your dad, this and that, whatever. Like, I respect the knowledge he give me. I respect how he teaches the knowledge. Like, it was work to me, and it'll work for everybody. Like, you want to go for the medical system, you want to believe in all that government shit, you go ahead. Like, but as far as everything else y'all got going on, I really don't give a damn. That don't have nothing to do with me. Saying people, he robbing people, he's spending $1 for all the herbs he got for the Apple Eve product. Duh, nigga. He capitalized off lazy ass American. Duh. But whatever. I just had to clear that up. I need to start getting back to this thing. Maybe I'll start doing this thoughts from the Hellcat type shit. But this is just my quick mention for today. Thank you.